If you've been searching for ways to understand BetRivers promo codes and how free bet bonuses actually work, you're not alone, because every year thousands of sports fans and online gaming users try to figure out how these offers function, what they really mean, and whether they are actually worth it. In today's video breakdown, we're going to walk through everything in a simple, natural explanation so you can clearly understand how promotional offers like these are structured, what they are designed for, and what you should realistically expect when you see a free bet bonus advertised. Now, first things first, BetRivers is an online gaming and sports betting platform that operates in regulated regions where online wagering is legal. Like many similar platforms, they often run promotional campaigns designed to attract new users or reward existing ones. One of the most common promotions you'll see is what people call a promo code bonus or a free bet offer. These are not random gifts, and they are not just free money handed out without conditions. Instead, they are structured marketing incentives that usually come with specific eligibility requirements and rules attached. When people hear promo code, they often imagine typing a short code and instantly receiving cash or credits. But in reality, it's a bit more structured than that. A promo code is simply a tracking tool. It tells the platform where a user came from, what campaign they're part of, and what bonus they might qualify for. Sometimes the code is entered during registration, and other times it is applied during a deposit or offer activation stage, depending on the promotion being run at that time. Now, when we talk about a free bet bonus, it usually means the platform gives you a credit that you can use to place a wager without using your own money directly. However, even though it is called free, it is important to understand that these offers often come with conditions. For example, some promotions may require a minimum deposit, some may require you to be a new user, and others may require you to meet certain wagering activity before the bonus can be fully used or withdrawn. These conditions exist because the platform is not simply giving away money, they are encouraging participation in their services. It is also important to highlight that these types of platforms are strictly intended for adults only, usually 21 years and above, depending on your location. Age verification is a standard requirement, and users who do not meet the legal age requirement are not permitted to participate. This is a regulated industry, meaning rules are enforced to ensure responsible use, identity verification, and compliance with local laws. Now, let's talk about how these promotions are usually structured in a general sense, so you can understand what you are seeing when you come across them online. A typical BetRivers promo offer might say something like a risk-free bet, a deposit match, or a free bet credit after qualifying activity. Each of these works slightly differently. A risk-free bet usually means that if your first wager does not win, the platform may refund your stake in the form of a bonus credit rather than cash. A deposit match means the platform adds a percentage of what you deposit into your account as bonus funds. A free bet credit means you are given a fixed amount to place a wager without directly using your deposited balance. However, and this is very important, bonus funds are usually not the same as withdrawable cash immediately. In many cases, winnings from bonus bets may need to meet certain rollover or usage requirements before they can be withdrawn. This is standard across most regulated platforms in the industry and is clearly outlined in their terms and conditions. One thing many users overlook is that promotional offers change frequently. What is available today may not be available next week. These companies often rotate campaigns based on sports seasons, major events, or marketing strategies. For example, during major tournaments or league openings, you might see more aggressive promotional offers designed to increase engagement. Another key point to understand is that promo codes themselves are not magic shortcuts. If a code is expired, invalid, or not eligible for your account type, it will not work. This is why many users sometimes feel confused or think something is broken, when in reality, the offer simply no longer applies to them or their region. It is also worth mentioning that these platforms use responsible gaming systems. That means there are built-in safeguards, like deposit limits, time reminders, and self-exclusion options, designed to help users stay in control of their activity. Even though promotions may look exciting, they are part of a wider entertainment system and not a guaranteed way to make money. When people search for how to claim free bet bonus, what they are usually really trying to understand is the process behind activation. In general terms, promotional bonuses are activated either through account registration steps, promotional pages inside the platform, or during qualifying deposits. But again, eligibility is always key. Without meeting the requirements, the bonus will not be applied, even if a code is entered correctly. Another important thing to keep in mind is regional availability. Not every promotion is available in every country or state. Online betting regulations vary widely, and platforms must comply with local laws. That means two users in different locations might see completely different offers on the same platform. Now, from a practical standpoint, the best way to approach promotions like these is with realistic expectations. They are designed as incentives, not income sources. Some users enjoy them as part of sports entertainment, while others prefer to avoid them entirely. The important thing is understanding what they are and how they function before engaging with them. Many users also make the mistake of chasing multiple bonuses at once without reading the conditions. This can lead to confusion later when they try to withdraw or use winnings. Every promotion has fine print, and although it may seem boring, it is actually the most important part of the offer. It explains everything from eligibility to expiration dates to wagering requirements. If you are watching this video to understand whether BetRivers promo codes are worth it, the honest answer depends on how you view them. If you see them as entertainment value or a way to enhance sports engagement, then they can add an extra layer of experience. But if you are expecting guaranteed returns or consistent earnings, then that is not how these systems are designed. As with any online platform involving real money wagering, responsible usage is extremely important. Setting limits, understanding risks, and only participating within your comfort level are key principles that should always be followed. At the end of the day, BetRivers promo codes and free bet bonuses are marketing tools within a regulated entertainment industry. They can offer added value when used correctly and within the rules, but they are not shortcuts or guaranteed wins. Understanding this clearly helps users avoid confusion and makes the entire experience much more transparent. So if you came here trying to figure out how it all works, the main takeaway is simple. Promo codes are access tools, bonuses are conditional rewards, and everything operates under specific rules designed to keep the system fair and regulated. Once you understand that structure, the rest becomes much easier to interpret whenever you see new promotions appear in the future.